Are you seeking the optimal method to warm up your pool efficiently? Look no further. We'll explore 3 primary categories of pool heating solutions: solar heating options, DIY alternatives, and traditional heater systems. Whether you're aiming to extend your swimming season or maintain a comfortable water temperature year-round, understanding these heating methods is key. Let's dive in and uncover the best ways to heat your pool effectively and economically. Solar heating: solar covers, liquid covers, solar domes. Harnessing the power of the sun, solar heating offers an eco-friendly and cost-effective solution to warm your pool water. Solar covers, also known as solar blankets, act as insulating barriers, capturing solar energy and reducing water evaporation. Clear solar covers maximize heat absorption, while dark blue covers excel in heat retention. Liquid solar covers provide an invisible layer to prevent evaporation, albeit less effective than their blanket counterparts. For above-ground pools, solar domes serve as advanced solar heaters, leveraging the sun's rays to raise water temperature by up to 10 degrees. DIY solar heater or build your own pool heater. For the hands-on enthusiast, DIY solar heaters present an affordable alternative to commercial systems. Utilizing basic materials like black irrigation hose and a sump pump, you can construct a solar heater that circulates pool water through warmed coils, returning it to the pool at a higher temperature. While DIY solutions require some effort and ingenuity, they offer substantial savings and customizable designs to suit your specific pool setup. Heater systems: gas and pool heat pumps. When it comes to power and efficiency, traditional heater systems reign supreme. Gas pool heaters utilize natural gas or propane to rapidly heat water, making them ideal for colder climates or quick temperature adjustments. While initial installation costs and ongoing fuel expenses are factors to consider, gas heaters provide unparalleled heating capabilities. On the other hand, pool heat pumps extract warmth from the ambient air, offering a more energy-efficient solution for warmer climates. By leveraging atmospheric heat, heat pumps deliver consistent warmth to your pool, albeit at a slower pace compared to gas heaters. Conclusion: whether you opt for solar heating, DIY solutions, or traditional heater systems, each method offers distinct advantages to suit your pool heating needs. Solar options harness renewable energy, DIY projects provide cost-effective customization, and heater systems deliver robust heating capabilities. By weighing factors such as climate, budget, and desired performance, you can select the ideal heating solution to enjoy your pool comfortably throughout the seasons. And remember, maintaining surface protection with solar covers ensures efficient heat retention and minimizes water evaporation, enhancing the effectiveness of your chosen heating method. Ready to dive into warmer waters? Explore these heating options and elevate your pool experience today.